Okay, on today's Eric's Drum Hacks and Repairs, some time ago I was given this Ludwig Rocker's Elite Piccolo Snare. But one of the funny things is, it doesn't have the internal muffling that comes with most of them. And I'm not really sure why. Maybe it's like the Student version. Not sure. But it's still made the same. Funny thing is, it has like this coating on the inside. It was like somebody sanded it down, but didn't take the sawdust off. But I'm gonna do what I can to get that off, and maybe sand down the bearing edges some. They're a little rough in spots. And seems like the lugs are in good condition, but I'm gonna at least take one off and see if it needs like the cotton inside. And the hoops seem fine. I actually ordered the batter head one because it didn't come with one. And I got heads for it. So it seems the way these are built, it doesn't really need like the cotton or anything on it because it doesn't have the spring. So that's good, because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these things. And I really don't want to have to do that if it's not necessary. And for those who follow my channel, yes, I am still turning the tom into a snare. But that has taken longer than I thought. So that'll be in the near future. What I'm going to do first is take a very fine 1500 grit sandpaper and go over these bearing edges, over these like rough parts, smooth it out. And then I'll clean all of this and this, whatever this white sawdust stuff is that's coating it off. The reason why I do this, and I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but little spots like this has little bitty holes. Just sand it down just a little bit, it'll take them out. And it doesn't mess with the sound or anything. What I'll do now is take a damp washcloth and just get all this sawdust off and then dry it with the other end. I bought a new throw off for it because the one that came with it wouldn't even come back up. Even if you had a wire on it, it would come up and it'd just fall right back down. For heads, I'm going to use the Evans 300 for the snare side and the Evans G1 for the batter. So the tension rods and the hoops are actually in really good condition. So as usual, I'm going to put the head on and dip tension rod in a little bit of grease and start putting it together. I ordered a 16 wire for it. I think it came with like a 20 something. It was way too thick, especially for a piccolo. got it tuned. Going to cut these down a little bit. These damn things are in the way bad. And it'll still be able to tighten it if I need to, but I think it's pretty good. So let me do that. And then we're going to see how it sounds. But before that, see, I got it down. I might put an internal muffle in this sometime, but it's a piccolo. Like, I don't really care for it to have one. Plus, I can always just throw a moon gel on it. Alright, I use my Vader Fatbacks. I love these sticks. Let's check it out. Got a really good sound to it. Let's put a moon gel on it. That sounds really good. Alright, well, I might use that for tomorrow night's show. So anyway, next episode may be the tom I'm turning into a snare, but we'll see. We'll see what comes up next. So till next time.